Hello everyone and welcome. Have you been wondering how to use Microsoft Planner to manage projects? Well, then this video is for you. Let me show you how to do it. It's quite simple. First of all, you need to create a plan. Before you can use Microsoft Planner to manage your project, you need to create a plan. How? You have to access the planner by opening the planner app, that is the Microsoft Planner app, within Microsoft Teams or through the Microsoft 365 app launcher. Once you've opened up the planner app, the next thing you're going to do, click on create new planner. Then give it a descriptive name. For example, marketing campaign, product launch. Give it a descriptive name. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to create what we call buckets. Now buckets represent stages or categories within your project. It's better for organization. So for example, the first bucket can be to-do list. Next one, in progress. The next one, review. Next one, done. That's way you put in the things you want to do in the first list, then things you're doing it right then in the progress rate grade and list, and then the review, things you want to check out after doing them to see if they've met your standard, and then done, the ones you've completed, the stages you've completed or the categories you've completed within your project. Next, after creating the buckets, don't forget to add the blocks list. Alright, next thing you're going to do after creating your project, after defining a bucket, is to add tasks. Now within each bucket, click add tasks. So here you will now provide clear and concise task description. Assign each task to the responsible team member or members. Then you have to set due dates or deadlines for each task for effective time management. And then you have to include your details. Don't forget to include details there, like checklists, attachments, that is document images, and any relevant information. Now once you're through with adding tasks, the next thing you're going to do is track the progress. Now how do you do this? Don't forget to update your task status. As you complete a task, update the status into in progress or completed. For example, it starts with to-do list, then when you are doing the task, you move it to in progress. So once you're through with that task, move it to completed. Or review first, after review to done, that is completed. So once you've done that, that's what we'll talk about. We'll talk about updating your task status. So check on it regularly and update the task status so you can know which one has been done and hasn't been done by which team members was assigned to. Now if necessary, you can reassign the task to different team members. If you see that there's kind of a glitch or it's not going the way it's supposed to, then you can reassign the task to different team members if it is necessary. Then you can also adjust your due dates when you're tracking the progress. If you see that the due dates aren't working, you can also update them as needed. Don't forget to communicate with your team. Don't just do it alone. Communicate with your team. It's a teamwork. So use comments within tasks to communicate progress, ask questions, and provide feedback. Next thing you're gonna do is to utilize planners features. So after tracking your progress, next thing is to utilize the planners features. How? We have plan features like charts, schedule, notifications, integration with Microsoft Teams. So we're going to start with charts. So visualize your project progress with charts that show tasks, assignment, due dates, and progress. It's easier to understand charts. It makes it easier, makes it look more presentable, organized. Then next, you can also use schedules to help you view the tasks on a calendar to get a better sense of the timelines and the deadlines. Use schedules. Next, you can also use notifications. We see notifications for task, assignment, due dates, and comments, so you can be notified of these things so you won't forget. And then you can also seamlessly integrate Planner with Microsoft Teams for better collaboration and communication. And let me give you some tips. Now that we're through with how to use Microsoft Planner to manage projects, I'd like to give you some tips for effective project management while using Microsoft Planner. The first one is regularly review and update your plan. Number 2, hold team meetings to discuss progress and address any roadblocks. Very, very important. It's a teamwork. Next, encourage team members to actively use the planner and update the task status of the tasks given to them. Next, always keep your tasks concise and specific. Don't generalize it. You keep it concise and specific. Then the next thing, utilize the planner's features. Like I said before, the charts, the schedules, notifications, utilize them also. So once you use this, once you've done all this, oh by the way, by utilizing the planner features, you are going to improve efficiency and communication. It's easier to understand that way. Now, by following all the steps I've talked about and leveraging the features of Microsoft Planner, you can effectively manage your projects, improve your team collaboration, and increase productivity, which is our aim. Hope you found this video helpful. Hope I was able to effectively answer and show you how to use Microsoft Planner to manage projects. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video where we answer another question that is important. Bye for now. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos, and to also ring the notification bell for you to get alerts and be notified of our recent videos.